and it's regarding about the data analyst training program. What it is, what we do as a data analyst, what are the components we need to learn to become an efficient data analyst. Let's get started. We are a prominent training organization registered with Government of India, ISO certified, and we have been providing these training services for more than 19 years. In our data analyst training program, we have total of 4 modules. We are going to start with database concepts, then proceed for Power BI, Python analytics, then end-to-end project with Excel integrations. Before we learn these 4 different items, what is database and what is SQL? Because we need to blend them together for our day-to-day data analyst job role activities. What is SQL? Structured query language. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to perform. It's a nice platform, colorful platform to store, modify, retrieve, manage, and report huge volumes of data from a storage area called database. In olden days, we used to store data in files, Excel file, PDF, CSV, Notepad, etc. But they have restriction on size. Database can store any amount of data, no restriction on size. Further, database can also store any type of data like passwords, barcodes, QR. Database can store. But to access the data, we need SQL. So this is our stepping stone, the main basement. The basement is SQL for our data analyst job roles. As a data analyst, what we do? We are going to read and extract data from various sources, perform data mashup operations, means transformations, dynamic calculations and formatting activities, big data analytics, cloud, Excel analytics, and end user dashboard activities. So as a data analyst, it's all about how to read, report, and present data in an easier format for end user. So the key components, key focus areas would be SQL first, SQL with Excel next, then Power BI next, then Excel with Power BI. There we have one Microsoft exam PL 300 complete guidance part of our course. Then you'll proceed for Python analytics. Again add Excel to your wish list, practice list. Comes end-to-end project work. So the course is divided into total 4 different modules. Each module is equally important, and the PL 300 exam, this is mainly for data analyst job roles. Microsoft certification. Whatever material and whatever samples I provide you will be latest samples and material up to date, and that should win us a good score in our actual certification exam. Yes, nowadays even recruiters are looking for score in certification also. So let's get started with our data analyst course. Either you can go for live training or self-paced videos or in-house classroom training in our Hyderabad office. Anyone, same content, same curriculum. If it is in-house classroom, there's different trainer. For live online and self-paced videos, I will be the in charge, I will be the trainer. We are going to start from the scratch SQL database first, understand about 400 queries, then Power BI that involves total 7 tools, 2 technologies, 2 hosting solutions, 11 components, and then detailed Python with analytics. We are not into programming, we are not into development, but we are into analytics, like how to read the data, how to format the data, how to present the data. So we are not into pure coding. We are not into pure programming. This is into analytics part. We'll do it slowly, step by step anyway. Need your support. The course is a bit lengthy, but for our job work. So need your support. Make sure you do on-time practice throughout the and this is the snapshot of our complete journey. Detailed day-wise plan on my screen. The detailed day-wise plan. So we have 15 days. If it is live training, say 3 weeks for MS SQL, 1 month for Power BI, and another 1 month for Python. Finally comes end-to-end project and certification guidance. Apart from Microsoft certificate that you may get from that you will get from this exam at SQL School, we are authorized and our certification has its own value because we are ISO and MSME registered Microsoft certification. So you can definitely use it in your profile as well. Detailed curriculum to be sent on email during your live demo session. Let's get started. I request you to attend a live demo session on database, concepts of database, understanding more about database job roles, and specifically data analyst. The course continues the next day after the live demo session. Schedules to be posted in our website sqlschool.com, or you may contact our team. They immediately respond with all the schedules, or you can contact me as well. So this is our school number, and I'll provide you my number as well. You can contact us to get the live training schedules. Let's get started with SQL, then slowly step into Power BI, then into Python, finally project work. With this, any further questions or clarifications, please do reach me directly, or you may reach our team. Glad to assist you.